We have found Cerena in the jungle. So we are trying to harvest honey and the bee from the tree. Finally, we have found their door. We have closed their door and we are cutting from the upper side of their door. And tree looks too much tall. So we have got a little more. Finally, we have cutted it and this one is bee. We are collecting both honey and the bee. Finally, we are seeing their wax under the tree. Finally, this one is honey and this one is their pupa. And this one is Cerena bee. We have collected all honey, bee. Thanks for watching. If you want to see more, subscribe our channel.